comes out. She likes the camera.
I love cameras. So what kind of potatoes did you put in?
Oh, there's Yukons, there's russets, there's some German butterballs.
Some red ones.
And the Pontiacs. I think
God, you gotta love those German butters.
You like the German butterballs?
Oh God, yeah. We've still got about 100 foot of it.
Oh wow.
We decided not to sell it all, of course, because otherwise you have none.
Yeah.
Those are cherry trees, and over there's a hazelnut tree.
A filbert, huh? Isn't that a filbert?
Yeah. And the plum tree over there is not ripe.
Not yet. Is there much on it?
No, there's some.